Welcome to ATech. Today I will tell you that how you can record an audio and send it as a view once option. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. Then select the chat to whom you want to send an audio message. So now I will record an audio message. So during recording you can see view once option. I will simply click on one button and then send this message. So here you can see the voice message is sent as a view once. In this way you can send any voice message as a view once. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for such an amazing videos. Thanks for watching.